Today I'm talking about thyme. Thymus vulgaris is a small but mighty herb that's native to the Mediterranean. It's been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine systems. Thyme isn't only folk medicine because its uses have been backed by science. So let's take a look at some documented medical uses of thyme and learn why this herb deserves a spot in your kitchen and also in your medicine cabinet. Thyme is an excellent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It contains flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help to modulate the inflammatory pathways. It reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, and it has been used historically for arthritis, for sore throat, and to treat skin inflammations. Thyme has also been used as an expectorant and an anti-tussive. It's commonly found in throat lozenges and cough syrups. It promotes mucus clearance, but it also relaxes bronchial muscles to reduce the bronchial spasms.